Okay guys, so how do we reset change oil light in Chrysler Pacifica? So this is it. First of all, we're gonna have, without starting the car, we have to press button twice. Okay, so this thing comes on. Now when we can switch using arrows, we're gonna find vehicle info. Okay, so you see this change oil soon light I have? So vehicle info. Now we go right till we see check or the oil something. So yes, hold OK to reset oil life. So press OK and hold. Boom. Now it's on 100%. Turn the thing off. That's it. And now when we start it, usually in like 10 seconds it used to the oil light used to come on. No stored messages. Okay, so everything should be good. Okay, so this is it.